귀여워. 걔도 한 번만 보여주세요.
Uses LG TVs and is enjoying improve the products that you're bringing and bring.
That takes a lot of effort and a lot of time. 2, exploring ideas requires so much expertise. And 3, ideas get lost in translation along the way. So, unfortunately, rather than making it feel so simple,
you guys noticed, but we shipped a feature. You're working together. You know, often as a developer, you might want to understand the design at the early phases before it's even finished. You're coming in early and you're understanding in the wireframe phase and you're taking a look at things that goes over Slack messages.
공유팀보다 이 앞에 섰습니다. 나가자의 의미로 디자인 원분들께 공유하고 있습니다. 개발자분들께는 예시를 하나 드리자면 작년에
agent that first of all will cost quite a bit of money to run. Inference is not free. Energy is not free. GPUs are expensive. But kind of asked people if I could buy them coffees and get their feedback on it.